Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create SIA on Dress to Impress. So let's get started with the video. Whoops. I'm just going to remove everything except for the hair because that took me like quite a while to do again. So I use this hair in just black and white, black and this color FFE3C3. Then I use this bang, this bang in that same like color. I use like this one actually, this one here. And for the adjustments, I positioned the x-axis at 0.48, the y at 0.4, and scaled it to 0.51. Then I used this hair in black, then positioned it at x 0.52, y 0.39, z 0.56, and I scaled it to 0.60. For the outfit, it is pretty simple. You can use any of her outfits, but I'm just going to do it in all black. So get this coat in matte. Then I'm just going to also get this in black as well in matte. And then I'm going to get these jeans in default actually, no flower. Color black in matte as well. Get some heels, select any heels that you want. I'm just going to select this normal one, and then the usual one. And then for the bow, I just use this one in black. You can use the other bow, but I cannot position it correctly to make it like super big because she wears like super big bows. So I'm just going to put it here first, and then I'm going to save it as like SIA. And then I'm just going to wear it again to make the bow look a lot bigger. So get that bow, and then you're just going to scale it all the way up, and you're just going to position it again. Like that. And that is how you can create SIA on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. I'm just going to make this a little bit higher because sometimes you can actually see this part of the bow. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.